Welcome to the Shook Inventions. Today, we're going to discuss the top 5 smart inventions that will blow your mind. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us. So, let's get straight to the video. Number 5. PAL 5 Liberty. October brought good news from the Netherlands. One of the heroes of our releases, the commercial flying vehicle PAL 5 Liberty, received a permit to travel on public roads. This event set sail to the emergence of a versatile dual-use vehicle. Before obtaining a permit, the flying car passed a number of tests in accordance with European laws. The PAL 5 Liberty performed high-speed maneuvers, tested the brake system, and demonstrated that it has acceptable noise levels. The appearance of such cars on ordinary roads could become the impedance for the development of universal passenger transportation systems. Perhaps these are the advances that will bring us closer to solving existing problems in the field of global transportation traffic. The declared flight range of the Liberty is 807 miles, and the maximum speed is 99 miles per hour. Number 4. Vision AVTR. January 2020 commenced with beauty. The Mercedes-Benz Corporation unveiled the futuristic Vision AVTR concept. It is built in the form of a symbiont that can interact with humans at a previously unattainable level. It has autopilot, a fully steerable chassis with a crab gate, and familiar controls that most drivers will be accustomed to. Its aesthetic looks like it was pulled right out of the Avatar movie directed by James Cameron. At the back of the car, there are 33 moving elements that imitate scales. This makes the concept come alive. The Vision Avatar cabin also breaks the mold. Mercedes specialists raised the minimal aesthetic to its absolute, reinforcing everything with smooth lines and fantastic technological materials. The vehicle is controlled using the joystick located in the center. It recognizes a driver's pulse and automatically alerts the car when a person appears. Most of the internal systems are controlled by gestures and a dedicated projection system. Number 3. Raffles City, Chongqing. June opened the doors to one of the most interesting architectural structures of the 21st century, the horizontal skyscraper called Raffles City, Chongqing. The cost of the project was $4.8 billion, and its main highlight is a huge aerial bridge that connects 6 skyscrapers. The design is called the Crystal. Its length is above 984 feet, and the total weight of the horizontal bridge reaches 12,000 tons. The apex of the structure sits at a height of 820 feet. Inside the Crystal, there is a park, a glass observation deck, and various art objects. Here, visitors will find a private club, 2 restaurants, a themed installation dedicated to life on Mars, and a lot more entertainment. The observation deck opens on an incredible view of Chongqing City. Number 2. Wearbuds. Introducing Wearbuds, the world's first on-wrist charging true wireless wearbuds. The innovative design allows you to charge your wearbuds on the go without a case. They are securely stored on your wrist and ready whenever you need them. More than 285 prototypes were built and tested before the product team finally got a result they were satisfied with. The reinvented band not only stores and shares now once and for all. Sound quality matters with an advanced Qualcomm smart audio chipset and fine-tuned graphing augmented dynamic drivers. Wearbuds guarantee exceptional audio and immerse you in a stunning soundscape wherever you go. You can pop out either earbud to make hands-free phone calls easy and fast. Number 1. Crew Dragon manned flight. On May 30th, 2020, SpaceX, in collaboration with NASA, performed a historic launch of the Crew Dragon reusable spacecraft to the International Space Station. It was the first U.S. manned flight since 2011 when the Atlanta shuttle last left for the skies. On board the SpaceX shuttle was astronaut Douglas Hurley and Bob Behnken. The Crew Dragon was launched into orbit by the Falcon 9 Block 5 launch vehicle. The launch took place at 1922 UTC, and the first part of SpaceX's workhorse successfully landed on an autonomous barge. This mission was the final phase of the Commercial Crew program. Elon Musk and Gwynne Shotwell's main rival is Boeing, which developed its own version of the manned spacecraft called the Starliner. However, code errors led to problems during the test flight, which then led to SpaceX's victory in one of the most heated space races of the decade. That's all for today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.